Laying down asphalt is no simple task, but what if you could make an entire highway in just one pass? Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo, where today we'll be covering some great road construction machinery, including the world's largest paving machine. If you enjoy this content, shoot us a like, it really helps us out. First up, we have the ALLCONS full section trimmer. This machine creates a vast canal by excavating excess material from the earth. It can dig canals with a maximum upper width of 82 feet. The machine has a bucket chain system with cutting blades that excavate the material from the ground and transfer it out. It can adapt to different canal section types by sectioning its structure. Moreover, the ALLCONS full section trimmer has simple settings and excellent safety features. Next, we have the CARLSON joint density attachment. This paving equipment was designed to enhance the density and durability of the longitudinal joints in asphalt pavements. A longitudinal joint is a seam where two lanes of asphalt meet, and it is often the weakest point of the pavement. This machine is equipped with a 4-inch high-density bolt-on system that removes extraneous material and uniformly distributes it across the lane. The side load end gate serves to confine and direct the substance towards the bolt-on. The joint can then be flattened after the pass, resulting in higher density numbers and a more impermeable joint that can withstand water penetration and splitting. Heating components are also included in this machine to improve material extraction and efficiency. At St. Pantaleon, Germany, there is a 2.3-mile head race channel that links to a hydroelectric power plant. After 45 years, it needed some rehabilitation. The challenge was that all horizontal milling and paving work had to be performed on slopes with an incline of 34 degrees. Waylo was contracted to handle the remedial work, which consisted of removing the old 2.36-inch dense asphaltic concrete layer from the channel slopes and replacing it with a new DAC layer. The surface area that needed to be replaced totaled to over 53,800 square yards and included numerous bridges and joint structures along the length of the channel. The water level in the channel was lowered for only 10 weeks to facilitate the completion of the project, which was completed in 4 months. Next, we have the Large Canal Jumbo, a heavy-duty machine. This equipment is for finishing and curing concrete canal linings. It incorporates a heavy-duty truss frame with crawler tracks, a power unit, a work platform, and a curing spray canopy. The truss structure can be reconfigured to meet a variety of canal cross-sections, including trapezoidal, parabolic, and half-round. The Jumbo can move along canals using its crawler track. The operating platform or curing spray canopy can be raised or lowered using hydraulic lifting columns to maintain a constant height above the concrete lining. It is utilized behind the concrete liner for different tasks, including hand finishing, applying curing compound, inserting PVC connections, and installing reinforcing steel mats. Up next, we have the Fast Patch Crack Repair. This product can repair concrete surfaces that have fissures, spalls, and other minor damage. After curing, it adheres to the concrete and becomes firmer than concrete. It comes in a package with epoxy and a hardener. The user has to combine the first two compounds in a 1:1 ratio and apply the resulting mixture to the damaged area using a putty knife or trowel. It can be utilized on both horizontal and vertical surfaces, including garage floors, foundations, driveways, walkways, walls, and staircases. The Fast Patch Crack Repair can fill fissures or holes up to a ½ inch deep and dries quickly in 15 minutes. It is resistant to high temperatures and can be colored or painted to match the surrounding concrete. The Chimney Hollow Reservoir is a dam in the United States that was built with an asphalt core. Asphalt core dams have a layer or wall of asphalt that acts as a water-resistant barrier between the rockfill upstream and the rockfill downstream. Core testing is a common way to check the quality and performance of asphalt core dams while they are being built. During testing, bits of bitumen are mixed, pressed down, and cut. Their density, porosity, strength, and ability to deform are all measured in a lab. The construction process of this dam involved the placement of the asphalt core in a successive horizontal manner until the structure reached a height of approximately 350 feet. The XCMG RP2405 comes next. It is the world's largest cement-stabilized macadam paver, manufactured by XCMG, a Chinese construction machinery company. The equipment provides a paving width of up to 78 feet and a maximum output capacity of 1,800 tons per hour. It can perform one-time paving molding across the entire breadth of 65 feet for road construction projects, establishing a new paving width world record for cement-stabilized macadam pavement. The machine boasts an ultra-long track design, a Series 5 electronic control system, and a new screed with a 35% increase in rigidity. It can execute extensive asphalt surface layer construction, spanning up to 21.3 yards in width and 2.36 inches in thickness. It offers a superior performance in terms of uniformity, segregation control, and water permeability. The Samruddhi Expressway is now the fastest highway in India. It allows vehicles to travel at a speed of 93 miles per hour between Mumbai and Nagpur, reducing the journey duration from 16 to 8 hours. The road is currently in its second section, but approximately 435 miles of 6-lane road have been built using WIRTGEN slip-form stones. The fleet consisted of hom rollers and soil compactors. Vogel bitumen pavers were also used, as well as Kleemann screens and scrapers. These machines made it possible to deploy 16 WIRTGEN slip-form pavers, SP1600, at a time to pave the concrete surface. Last but not least, we have the MP550 from Guntert and Zimmermann. It is a material placer that can distribute concrete and other materials for different applications, including constructing highways, airports, canals, and trenches. Its potent variable speed auger can manage various slumps in concrete and dry materials. The machine has a unique conveyor that can pivot 170 degrees to position the material where it is required. The swing conveyor's pivot point near the tail pulley clears temporary concrete hurdles while minimizing material discharge height. Thanks to its 4-wheel drive, 5 steering modes, and low-maintenance tires, the machine offers superior maneuverability and traction. It also features a wireless controller for optimal visibility and comfort. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed learning about these great machines. If you did, consider subscribing. We've got plenty of more machines that you can learn about. Just click here. And with that, we'll see you next time.